So already in there is oil, onion, and now curry.
Onion has garlic and ginger.
Okay, the onion has garlic and ginger. So some of the ginger, some of the onions was blended into the ginger and garlic. So in there is the tomatoes, fresh tomatoes paste. Fresh tomato paste. And some more oil. Another one.
Some extra flavored oil.
Okay, some extra flavored oil. Addition of some more oil. So in the pot for the Turkish peppered sauce, we've added oil, curry, and then the ginger garlic paste into that. Oil, curry, ginger, garlic, and onion paste. That is in the pot for Turkey peppered sauce. And then we add in salt to the stew. You said you hashu. You didn't even tell me. That's the tatashi. I beat the shombo going in. That shombo going in to into the pot of fried. And now we have the pepper going in. So you have a combination of pepper and shombo in the peppered sauce. And that's that for that. And then you stir it properly. Okay. So into the stew pot goes the protein, which is COWLEG. And that is the peppered sauce pot. This thing do like the
That you went to buy. The other one that was in the kitchen. This stew needed a little milk because it's full of nuts.
Okay. So we just added water and stirred it a bit. And he checked for taste. Back to the pepper sauce. It's not yet dry. To know it's dry, yeah, you need to see the oil float. So that's adding some pepper to this stew. So if they want to do as soon like this also, just turn your boat with yourself. Pepper community. So salt has been added to that. And then a little bit of the broth. Just for flavoring. Is this from Tiger? I do just Tiger stuffs. So we just add Maggi chicken seasoning and King's chicken seasoning to the kitchen glory chicken seasoning to the peppered sauce. So you advocated for him.
He's my friend.
Ladies and gentlemen, the other started floating as you can sort. So you go and pour your top inside and then allow it to simmer for a moment. That is that for the prepared sauce, and then this is the whatever stew.